Okay, today is September 4th, 2023. It's Labor Day. I brought my cutters out today. What I'm going to do, first I'm going to start with my watermelons like I usually do. I planted these May 4th, about 4 months ago, the watermelons. And I still got that baby one. And this one here is getting pretty big. This one here is on the ground. And I got another baby one right here. I don't know if you can see that or not. I'm trying to use my 360 a different way. Okay, here's another baby one. This one here, I don't think these are going to be big. They're like personal watermelons, I think. It's starting to touch the ground. It won't have no white bottom on it because it wasn't really on the ground, but it does have a dark brown. It has a brown coloration on it. So I'm thinking about another 2 days, I'm going to pick this watermelon and see how it does, see how it tastes in 2 days from now. I did water this morning. I'm going to water every 2 days since it's the end of the season. Give them as much water as I can. There's the one here. Anything close to ripening, I'm picking. Okay. This thing went all haywire on me. Oh, there's another one. Okay. Pick them before the bugs get them. Oh, there's another red one in here. Right here. Yeah, see? Not split open, no bug bites. I've been pickling these pepperoncinis. I'm going to cut them off this time so I don't pull the plant apart. I was reading about roly-polies. They do eat dead leaves and stuff and things like that. But they say you should always clean out the bottom of your garden there from dead leaves and stuff. They said you can use beer and a lid, which I did last year. I didn't do it this year. But that mainly draws slugs. That really just draws slugs. Anyway, while I was watering, I had a big surprise over here. Large jalapeno. I don't think I ever grew one like that large. Everything else I'm going to keep on there right now. They're not big enough. Maybe I can grow some more large ones. These size you usually get at Walmart from Mexico. But this is not Mexico. Anyway. Let's see what else I got here. That plant doesn't look like it. I need to put something against that. Okay. Still got this one right here. We got a couple flowers here. Yeah, that's about done. Okay, let me pick these cherry tomatoes. Some of the bad stuff off there. Make it look halfway decent anyway. This one's about done. I don't have nothing on it. Okay, get rid of this. Add that Y there. Get rid of this. A lot easier when you have a trimmer in your hand. Yeah. I'm proud of these cherry tomatoes here though, because this one they actually grew wild. Rogue, I won't call it. From this stuff dropping down on the ground. Okay, let me pick these here. These are ready for picking. I'll put this up over here. There's another cherry. Those cherry comes out pretty easy though. Couple little baby cherries here. Yeah, cherries. Plants about had it. Let's see what else I got here. Cut this thing here off. Yeah, see. This one here ain't doing nothing. Should have been doing that a long time ago. Well, been on a lazy streak. They look half decent anyway. Here's a red one here. This one ain't no good. Don't see any grape tomatoes today. Oh, I just threw away some green tomatoes, cherry tomatoes. Oh, well, I got it. A little anxious there. Oh, what is it?
You have entered the monitoring area.
Okay, let me see here now. Okay, that should be better. No grape tomatoes. Let's see what we got in here. Huh, no more beefsteaks, look like. What beefsteak got in the house is it. Let's see. No jalapenos up here. I got one little beefsteak there. Maybe I'll save the seeds from that one. Gotta save the seed from one of these. Let's see what we got in here. This is a slicer tomato, supposedly. There's green tomatoes I see. Then we got the hot yellow peppers. Oh, I should have picked these on the other side. You know what? Where they're all growing from. was disappointed when I bought these, but now since I tried them, I actually love them. They're really super hot. I'll keep telling you that too. I can't eat these by the way I eat jalapenos. Okay. Ooh, that pumpkin came all the way down here. Sweet pepper's not big enough yet. Bell peppers. No, they're not. There's one. No, there's a couple of them on there. I'm gonna wait a little bit and see. Let me look at them. No bugs. No bugs. You know, if I water every 2 days too, I might keep the bugs off of them. I don't know. That's a thought. Oh, I see one here. I see two of them in here, I think. One. No, that was one up there. And I see one down here somewhere. Two. Yeah. Even though they're small, you know, you can still use them, slice them up. See, these are Jetstar. Yeah. Some of them was coming out like those other type of tomatoes, I forgot what to call them. Let's see what we got in here. Got one about to turn, maybe 2 days from now. I can pick that one. Let me see something there. These are Rutgers right here. Don't really care too much for them, though I did get some tomatoes off of those. Actually, this one here, I think was a Rutgers. Look like beefsteak. So 2 days from now, I'm going to have to pick that, take a chance, and see what happens. Yeah. Raspberries. My water pill over there, I actually filled that up today. So let me walk over here. Hate to use so much water, it costs so much money. But anyway, you want fresh vegetables and stuff. Grapes almost gone too. I think squirrels been getting them. I haven't been seeing them on the fence a lot lately though. The squirrels. There's a Concord here. Oh no, that had it. Anyway, let me see what we got here in the courtyard. I thought I saw some strawberries when I was watering. Don't see no bees out yet. Come on. Taking that one. Let me get my cutters. Can't pick that one. Maybe I have some cereal today with strawberries in it. That one. I can wait a few more days. That can, ooh. That one about rotting at the bottom. Get rid of that one. Cut some of the bad stems off. Try to promote new growth. Anybody know what I can do about these strawberries? Just killing me. Haven't found anything yet. They say those roly-polies, tacky strawberries too. I haven't had none tack my strawberries, maybe because it's up on the wall. That's probably it. Because I saw pictures of roly-poly just eating through a strawberry. It wasn't a moving picture, but see what we got here. Oh, that one's dying. I can see that. I don't know what I can do about that. See the purple stems? It's going to turn. I don't know what to do about that. Some kind of disease. Okay, I'm picking that one. Get rid of that leaf. Get rid of this leaf. Still not purple yet, but the leaf looks ugly. Okay. See this runner right here? It's purple. I don't know. I don't understand it. I really don't. Cut this one off. Okay, I got, what, 3 strawberries, I guess? So, that's all I got for you right now. If you like what I have, like, comment, come back and watch once in a while. When you like, subscribe, it actually helps my channel to produce more movies. I know during the wintertime I won't be doing no vegetable gardening. Well, anyway, that's all I got for you right now. Hope you like what I have. Thanks for watching.